tell me when you're ready. Make me send a Uber fi pick you up about 7. Girl, you full up of the vibes, loving your energy. We a complex, tell me.
I also not have Uber at Trinidad. Who did have Uber at Trinidad?
Reaction.
What's good YouTube? It's about TyrekeReacts, aka The Reaction. Blast on back in for another video for you guys. Right now we're here with Kalonji, song called No Drones, official audio. This song been out for 4 days, but I didn't see it until just now. You understand me? And this is the audio channel, so TyrekeReacts, I give you the audios over here. We're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers over here, so please subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed, and also subscribe to the main channel because we're gonna start something new over there. Y'all know that every month I try and go into a different place, you understand me? It's not necessarily going to be a Caribbean island. This year, this month I should say, we're going to start reggaeton over there. Reggaeton, it's reggae, but you will see when you go over. So TyrekeVlogs, go check it out. Don't want to miss it, you understand me? Let's see what's happening for this song. No Jones, you understand me? No Jones zone, you see me? You did me? Run tune.
Yeah,
Big everybody.
Kalonji again.
She does. I want to call her Barbie that and put beside that, but go on.
Hey, chef. Hey, just tell me when you're ready. Make me send a Uber fi pick you up about 7. Girl, you full up of the vibes, loving your energy. We a complex, tell me.
I also not have Uber at Trinidad. Only have Uber at Trinidad. Get me here, please. I don't have Uber at Trinidad. Me never know. Go on.
Happy remedy, yeah. Me not gonna hurt ya. Good girl and you're not fucking in circles. Make a killer was when the money pay ya. Make a killer was when the money pay ya. Hey girl, hear this, body you the neatest. From me playing and you hear that we make you drip. Start moan and grind up she body for me. Then do a split pony like she a gymnast. Nothing no regular about ya. Now fi ask girl, you know so me love ya. If me eye close.
Yeah, them say hit me a Kalonji and let them say no. You see me say big up to Going Global Studios. They did me and say hit me a Kalonji, them call it dog, you know. Let's big up here. You're strong gone the other day, but big up yourself right now. You did me and say, yeah, and so this is my way of telling me a birthday dog. So big up yourself for you're strong. Although you gone the other day, Russian pastor represent for you. You did me? But run back. Play in here, make you drip. No, go on.
Hey girl, hear this, body you the neatest. From me playing and you hear that we make you drip. Start moan and grind up she body for me. Then do a split pony like she a gymnast. Nothing no regular about ya. Now fi ask girl, you know so me love ya. If me eye closed now, girl, and me see ya the future. Me and you cut up in a romance. Just slow wine for the killer girl. No, so you love it. She not fuck broke man, so she can't profit. If you can't
fire emojis. Fire emojis. Just drop them right now. Make for ask or nothing else. Just drop some fire emojis, please. You see the dog can mash up the world. Lyrics. Go on.
Maintain then you can't manage. If you can't maintain then you can't manage. Yeah. So she want fuck with this her, so me I go with her. Up in her belly like a seminar. So that body never regular. Yeah. Turn off your phone now, I get this tape tonight. Yeah. Me and you a fuck for life. Yeah. Hey, girl. Bring nobody for me. Turn off your phone now, I get this tape tonight. Me and you a fuck for life.
Turn on the phone, no one get disturbed tonight. Him and her are knock for life. But I ain't gonna lie to you, know. When I see the type of people on the song, No Drones, right? I thought it was gonna be like, you know, saying for Instagram and you know. I would start, I think I YS6 sister, youngster 6 will start this and I say, yo, you know, want to drone for them Instagram because I be a drones, I watch out them store and thing, isn't it? And say, so I thought it was gonna be something about that. And I mean like, yo, people, I watch all the thing, not drones. But it's a girl song called No Drones. But we'll take it on the day still. As I say lit, no joke. Go on. Just tell me when you're ready. Make me send a Uber fi pick you up about 7. Girl, you full up of the vibes, loving your energy. For your complex, tell me happy remedy. Yeah. Me not gonna hurt ya. Good girl and you're not fucking in circles. Make a killer was when the money pay ya. Make a killer was when the money pay ya. Come in and know
fi come back. World knows say you want me heart pan lock. Stay up on my side like a brand new Glock. Cause anyway you them in the far from that. You never fucking a circle, girl, I turn on your style. One money in your belly, that's how I like. Me a the man with the day like.
The next thing to realize, like, majority of the artists, them do it without even realizing. You understand me? Them quote Trinidad hit song, gunman in the world. They don't care, they don't say it the same way. You understand me? But they never do it. They it in a most song when it come to girls song. They not say gunman in the world, you know. But them, if they don't know the lyrics to them use, they just come back to you and say, that influence it. You see me? I say, well, go on.
Life, hey, turn off your phone now. I get this tape tonight. Yeah, me and you a fuck for life. Yeah, hey, girl, bring nobody for me. Turn off your phone now. I get this tape tonight. Me and you a fuck for life. Hey, yeah. Hey, just tell me when you're ready. Make me send a Uber to pick you up by 7. You're level up at the vibes, loving your energy. For your complex style, me happy remedy. Yeah.
You must say big up to Kalonji one time. Big up to Kickbox for the cover art. As me I say, what's it say? Big up to Nas. What is? Casa Nick, Casa 10. I must say not good. As me I say, big up Chef for producers too. As me I say. And man, big up everybody pan already, man. Big up everybody from Trinidad, I should say, and the entire Caribbean. I should must be the same thing for you guys. And big up to you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. You understand me? Got like 2 more videos gonna be posted on TyrekeReacts today, so you need to go over there. You see me? I say, your belly is something new drop, right? Here's Boss there presenting. Peace out.